Good morning and happy Friday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is time for recitation. Remember, this is a very, very short time that we are going to practice. So we have Friday, then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 6 more days, and that's it. Then the following Monday, we have to do recitation. Remember, we are listening for voice variation. Okay, so here we go. Singing by Robert Louis Stevenson. Of speckled eggs the birdies sing, and nests among the trees. The sailor sings of ropes and things in ships upon the sea. The children sing in far Japan. The children sing in Spain. The organ with the organ man is singing in the rain. And be sure to take your bow. Alrighty, friends, it is time for morning meeting. So the very, very first thing we do is we find out who our student of the day will be today. So we know that yesterday our student of the day was Corwin. Let's go ahead and see who today's student of the day will be. Roy Che, come on down, Roy. So if Roy were here, the very first thing Roy would do is turn the clock to morning, and then Roy would write his first and last name. But because Roy is not here, Mrs. Harrow will do that for him. Okay, so I'm going to write Roy Che. And then Mrs. Harrow would give Roy his student of the day sticker, followed by a pointer and saying, young man, you are on. And Roy would say, this here thing is called a calendar. This here is called a month. And what month are we in? May. This here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Thursday, then that means that today is Friday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now before we add the number 7, let's go ahead and do our A, B, C pattern, beginning with trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram. Trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram. Trapezoid. Very, very good. All right, so let's go ahead and add our number 7 there. And then let's help Roy with the letters in the month of May, beginning with capital M, followed by Danilian A, Danilian Y, and then we're going to finger space. And what digit are we writing today? A 7. followed by a comma. Is comma a number? No, sillies, it is a space. And let's go ahead and write the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, and a 1. Let's go ahead and read today's date with Roy. Today's date is Friday, May 7th, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 166 days, what would today be? Well, let's go ahead and draw out. First things first, let's count from 162. So 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167. All right, so let's go ahead and draw out a great big bundle of 100s, followed by Mr. Tens. So 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Then we're going to add Mrs. Ones. 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167. So now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school graph. Uh-oh, I dropped a Mr. Tens. All right, so in our days in school graph, my friends, under the 100s column, we are going to add a 1. Then in Mr. Tens column, we have 4 plus, we have here, let me do it this way, 4 plus 2 equals 6 kicks. So then we're going to add a 6 to Mr. Tens column, followed by Mrs. Ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to add a 7 to Mrs. Ones. All right, so now let's go ahead and compare to see if our days in school tag matches our days in school graph. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? 6 Mr. Tens? 7 Mrs. Ones? So how many days have we been in school? 167. Wow, that is a whole lot of days. And friends, look at that's it. This is all we have left. Oh my gosh. All right, I better move on, otherwise Mrs. Horowitz is going to cry. Let's go ahead and do our coin top. And in our coin top, we have some coins. So today we have a dime, and a dime is worth, correct, 10 cents. And our next coin that we have is a nickel, and a nickel is worth, correct again, 5 cents. And we count nickels by what? 5 fives. And finally, we have a, and a penny is worth 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count them by Correct, by ones. So we're going to go ahead and start with our dimes. When we switch coins, I will hold it up to show you we are using a new coin, but we're going to start with tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 56 cents. So let's go ahead and write 56 cents on our coin cup. 56 cents. There we go. All right, so now let's go ahead and do our numbers. And let's do our odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Let's do backwards from 100. 1,000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100, 0. Very good. Even. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. All right, let's look at today's pattern, my friends. Today's pattern should be bing, bang, boom, lickety, split. I hope you do not say, I don't know what that is. Oh, good gosh. You better not say that, right? All right, so here we go, friends. Look at our pattern. Okay, we have 8, 10, 12. What are we counting by? 2. So we have 8, 10, 12. Aha, 14. Good job. Okay, go back. 8, 10, 12, 14. What do you think, Roy? 16. Okay, go back. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, everybody. 20. Great job. Excellent, my friends. All right, let's look at our digital clock. Digital clock reads 6:30. Analog clock reads 2:30. So we have to match our analog to our digital. Remember, the shorthand is the hour hand, the long hand is the minute hand. So first things we have to do is find 6 o'clock, or I should say locate 6 o'clock. There is 6 o'clock. Now, I want you to pay attention to the hour hand and see what happens as the minute hand goes around to 6:30. And we will stop right there and look now what has happened to our hour hand. It has moved. The hour hand is no longer on the 6. It is now between the 6 and the 7. Analog clock reads 6:30 or 6:30. Digital clock reads 6:30 or 6:30. Great job. Ding, 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 ding. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and look at our hundreds chart. Okay, really quickly, let's see what we have. Ooh, let's count today, friends. Let's count by 2s. Here we go. 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Woo-hoo! All right, now, today is, what day is today? It is Friday, and that means it is what? It is Songs Day. So that means everybody please stand up, and you're going to do exactly what Mrs. Haro is doing, right? Okay, so let's see. We're going to start here. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Stand up. Here we go.
Okay, everybody, listen closely and follow the directions. Are you ready? Here we go. Raise your left hand. Raise your right hand. Wiggle them around. Now put your hands down. Touch your right hand to your nose.
Right hand to your nose.
Touch your left hand to your toes.
Left hand to your toes.
Put your hands over your ears.
Hands over your ears.
What was that? I couldn't hear. Now start marching. Left, right, left.
Step in.
Time.
Let's go, guys.
Right,
You should be up and moving.
time. Left, right, left.
Step in.
Time.
Left, right, left.
You're doing fine. Okay, now stand still and follow the directions. Wave your left hand.
Wave your left hand.
Wave your right hand.
Blink your eyes. Give a great big smile.
Put your right hand on your hip.
Right hand on your hip.
Touch your left hand to your lip. Spread your arms out wide. Now put your hands at your side and start marching. Left, right, left.
Step in time. Left, right, left. Stay in line. You lift your knees.
Step in time.
Left, right, left. You're doing fine.
Okay, stand still again.
Turn around to the left. Left.
Put your right hand on your head.
Right hand on your head.
Now turn around to the right.
Turn around to the right.
Hold your left
Left
hand
hand
high.
high. Left hand high.
Point your right hand to the sky.
Right hand to the sky.
Put your left hand over your eyes.
Left hand over your eyes.
Put your right hand on your head.
Right hand on your head.
Now shake hands with a friend and
Start
start
marching.
marching.
Here we go.
Left, right, left.
Step in time. Left, right, left. Stay in line.
Left, right, left.
Step in time.
Left, right, left. You're doing fine.
Keep moving. And freeze. All right, let's see. What's the next song? Hold on just a second. All right, friends, so for this one, we haven't done it before. So all you're going to do is you're going to listen to what it's asking you to do. You will do what it tells you to do. And then when we do, that's what I want to be, when it comes to that part, then you just kind of dance around and get a little kooky and just get your body moving. All right? So here we go.
You know what I've always wanted to be? A figure skater.
Ooh, a figure.
I think it would be so much fun to jump and spin on the ice. Do you
Okay?
guys want to be figure skaters with me? Come on, let's jump and spin together.
Jump,
Jump, spin,
spin, like that. Jump, jump,
spin,
spin.
jump, jump, spin.
Spin.
You guys are great figure skaters.
Now here's the part where I said,
That's what
I wanna be. So just move around. That's what I wanna be.
Nothing could be greater than
Be a figure skater, 'cause that's what I wanna be. All right, here comes our next
You
one.
know what else I thought would be fun? To be a band leader. You get to wear a fancy uniform and march and twirl your baton.
Here's your
You
baton.
want to do that with me? Come on, we're going to march and twirl.
March and twirl. Here we go.
March, march, twirl.
Twirl.
March, march, twirl.
So if you don't have a baton, you can
March,
pretend.
march, twirl. Oops,
I dropped my baton. That's what I wanna be. So dance around. Wanna be.
It really would be great.
Come on, and Mrs. Harrow's dancing around with a bad back and neck. You can do it too. Come on.
You know what? It'd be great to be a firefighter. That would be so exciting. You have to climb ladders and spray water all over everything. Let's do that together.
Let's do that. Here we go.
Climb and spray water.
Climb, climb,
spray.
climb, climb, spray.
Climb,
spray.
Good job. The fire's all out.
Here we go. That's what I wanna be. That's what I wanna be.
It sure would be
Come
exciting
on, guys.
to be a firefighter. 'Cause
That's what I wanna be. This is my favorite.
You know, of all the things I want to be, what I'd really love to be is an ice cream taster. Imagine having a job tasting ice cream. Come on, let's scoop the ice cream.
Scoop
Taste it.
and
Let's say,
Mm-mm. Scoop.
Taste.
Mm-mm. Scoop.
Taste.
Mm-mm. Scoop.
Taste.
Mm-mm.
Uh-oh, we may have to make some more ice cream.
Here we go.
That's
What I wanna be. That's what I wanna be.
I'd try out all the flavors if I were an ice cream taster.
'Cause that's what I wanna be.
That's what I wanna be.
Get moving, guys. Get that blood pumping.
It's really hard to choose from all the things that I could do.
But that's what I wanna be. There we go. All righty, my friends. So that's it. Have a wonderful weekend. Make sure that you keep your mom's present in the secret place until Sunday. We want to surprise her, okay? All righty, friends. Have a wonderful weekend. Be good. Don't forget, treat your mommy and your grandmas like queens, okay? Bye. See you later.